Hello, welcome to my channel once again. This is Nancy. So today we are going to the farm. So go to the farm with me to go and bring cassava and some kontomire for dinner. This wasn't really a very far away farm. It's just very close by. So we just went by to get some kontomire and cassava for food in the evening. So let's go as I take you to bring home cassava and kontomire for food. So that was me again as we were going. This place isn't very far. It's just very close to houses around. So it's like a small garden. No. Time to cut some of the cassava, harvest the cassava. So watch as I harvest one. You cut the branch almost down to the roots, and then you pull it out from the soil, and then you cut the cassava under it. So if you bring it out on this day, the ground was very soft, so it was so easy to pull out the cassava. There are days that the ground is very hard, so pulling it out might be very difficult. Sometimes you might lose some of them in the sun. So after cutting, then you just pick the roots and then check if some had remained in the soil, and then you would dig into the soil and look for the ones that was stuck or is stuck in the soil, and then you pick them out. So this is the next cassava I got. So I was done. I wanted to just weed a small area. And then I carried it, and away we go. I forgot to bring a rag or something to help me carry it. All the same, we had to go. That was me on my way. I was carrying the cassava and also looking around if I could get some kontomire, the cocoayam leaf. So I got some, and then I cut it. Got another one, and then I cut it. There are two leaves. The one is a flower, and the other one, the second one at the back, is the kontomire. So you take note so that you don't make a mistake of going for the flour. The one I'm taking is the one that is eating. The other one is a flour, it's not eating. That's the cocoayam leaf. That's what we eat in Ghana. It's called Kontomire in Ghana. I don't know if you have it in your country. Well, I got enough, and then there were others also here. I had to go and plug them, cut them. I wanted to put a lot of the kontomire. I had the other ingredient like pepper and tomatoes in the house, so I only needed the kontomire. I was good to go. I think I got enough, so I go home. This was the cassava we got in the we washed them and we cooked them. I cooked them, and then this was the time I was grinding the kontomire for the stew. I was grinding the kontomire. It had already finished boiling, so I was grinding the kontomire whilst the cassava was on fire. So this was the kontomire. Let's check the cassava, and I added some yam because some of the people in the house wanted yam, so I had to add yam to the cassava. I prefer the cassava, so it was time to do the stew, the abom. So I wanted to do it this way, doing it in a stew form. You can either do it in a stew form or you just grind it and then you pour the hot oil that you fry on it. There are various ways. This is the way I wanted it that day, so I did stew. I did it in a stew form, and then I poured the kontomire inside. Some would also want to grind everything and then pour the oil on it, and then you start eating. It's also another way. Some will also cut the kontomire and add agushi. That is also the melon seed. That is also another way. Whichever way is okay. But today I chose this way because that is what I wanted to. Then the food was ready. You are invited. Bye.